Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we're going to be packing for a trip, and I'm going to be sharing you which cigars I'm bringing and what I take and how I pack everything. So to start off with the actual cigars I'm taking, I bought this recently on my Spain trip. You can see the vlog. This is a Davidoff Lancero. I'm quite excited to try it. Next, I bought with for my trip in Montecristo Upmann. Next, we have the Cohiba Maduro secretos. This is a small cigar, but Maduro means aged, which is going to be nice to smoke. Next, we have a Hoyo de Monterray petit Robusto from 2020, which I'm going to be enjoying. After that, we have a Vegas robina famosos. After that, we have the big boy, the Montecristo Edmundo. After that, we have an Upmann half Corona. A small quick smoke. Next we have the Partagas aristocrat, nice enjoyable quick cigar. A Hoyo de Monterray epicure number 2. Then we have a Cuaba Divinos. I've never tried these before, so I'm quite excited to try it. And finally we have a Quai Dorsay number 50, which again I've had many of those. I'm really excited to smoke it. Now, on our trip, to pack everything, make sure humidity lasts throughout the trip. The trip's for 2 weeks. We have a Boveda 65% humidity control pack. This we put inside the plastic Ziploc bag, which will ensure that no humidity escapes. And that all is going to be placed in this. This is not a Tupperware. This is a regular box that doesn't have a seal around, but the reason for this is that when the cigars are being transported, none of them get squashed or broken. Now, along that, we're going to be bringing some of the tools that you already saw in the video. One of it, these are all the cutters. So you've got the V cut, you have the guillotine, and also you have the punch for different applications, different types of cuts for each one of these cigars. I'm going to be bringing in 2 jet lighters because we're going to be mainly smoking outside. So this is a regular one that I bought on a night out. This is a very cheap lighter. Then next one we have this jet lighter, which can be used again outside. And finally we have this. This is a perfect draw, and also this has on the top and on the bottom it has punches as well, so in case you need to make a thick punch in your cigar. And it has a pair of prongs in case you've smoked out your cigar and you really want to take it to the last draw, which I don't technically use. So let's see how we pack this. So guys, there you have it. Everything is packed now. Please like, share and subscribe to this video, and in the next video we're going to be doing a small vlog of me traveling and smoking these cigars. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.